oh, no, don't let them drop onto the ground. They'll get bruised. Yes, nature's bounty is a generous but precious one. Her basket of ripe goodness must be picked delicately. Picked delicately must be. Oh. Oh. Try pushing it up.
Like this, Mr. Cloppity.
Not quite.
Oh, can I have a go on that ride after you, please, Mr. Cloppity? Can I? Please? It's not a fairground ride, Mia. Mr. Cloppity is stuck.
Let me have a go, Boj. These controls are just like the ones on my Bumper Box 350 console.
Whoa! Whoa!
Is there an instruction book, Mr. Cloppity?
Oh dear, he looks a bit green.
Oh, it's stopping. Look.
Yes, where would we be without a spot of excitement every now and then? Oh, we are in a pickle.
What am I like? I don't have to be the best.
What am I like?
8!